Too bad you can't hear me. Oh, wow. I don't believe my eyes. Bones of some prehistoric reptile. And coal deposits, I assume. Finally, we have proof. There was life on the surface of Regis 3. Millions of years ago. But for some reason now there's nothing. Not even bacteria or viruses. I'm starting to suspect that someone or something forces life into the water. Perhaps preventing it from moving ashore. If so, I think it's still happening today. The question is, have I encountered this thing already?
Grüß dich zurück zu The Invincible.
You never seem to get tired, Novik.
Ja, geh an die Oberfläche. Heißt unsere Aufgabe.
I hear you more and more. Does that mean I'm close?
Ja, das freut mich aber, dass du nahe bist. Wenn ich nur wüsste, wie es weitergeht. Madame. Tja. Wenn du nicht weißt, wie es weitergeht, dann ja, wird's dir der Charakter schon irgendwann mal sagen. Okay. Wir haben hier Höhlen, wir haben hier Leben gefunden.
Even more fossils. And without comms. No one will even know about this discovery if I'm stuck here. Unless HQ sends another expedition. Then they will find those bones along with mine.
Ich sage jetzt mal nichts. Genießt es einfach.
Novik. Do I really hear you? Or is my mind playing tricks on me?
I don't know.
Me too. What if something's waiting out there for me? Something that caused my fall? No. Don't hesitate. I will die if I stay here.
Ah. Der Mann mit der weißen Farbe, er ist wieder da gewesen. Ach, schön.
A way out. Astrogator. I'm close. Damn it. I was sure he would hear me this time.
Yes.
I'm coming!
Unfortunately, it might be too late. But I hope you have to honor Cassandra. Still, I won't. Oh, yes, sir. I'm getting your SOS. Receiving your vitals. Do you hear me?
Base, I report that the comms are back. I repeat, the line is working again.
Finally! Yes, sir. You can't even imagine. It's really good to hear your voice again, Doctor.
Sir, I've heard you all the way.
Yasna, are you saying what?
I don't quite understand myself.
All right. Let's leave that for now. Are you injured in any way?
No. As usual, I came out of trouble unscathed.
What was that? Yasna, are you there? Do you copy?
What kind of deadly shit is this?
Doctor, what are you talking about?
There's something here. It looks like a machine. It burned a hole in the wall. And now it's marching on these kind of crab legs.
Damn. You must evacuate immediately.
It sounds like you know what it is, sir.
Well, I have my suspicions. One of the flagship machines of the Alliance would match the description. Walking antimatter cannon. Antimat.
You're fucking kidding me, sir.
Unfortunately, I'm not. Any progress? Do you still have a visual on the object?
It's bad. The machine appears to be looking for something. It won't be long before it finds me.
Not necessarily. If it doesn't have thermal imaging, it might not register your...
I think it's moving away from me.
Excellent. Don't stop yet, though. The greater the distance between you and this machine, the better.
How is it possible that the Alliance machine got here before us?
I'd like to know myself. If our intel's incorrect and Invincible already landed on Regis 3, they would have a huge advantage over us. So why wouldn't they confront our ship head on?
Instead, they waste time on some shady diversion.
Exactly.
Shit! It's still here. I have to... I'm stuck. I can't move. Oh, it's coming at me.
Yes, sir. Please talk.
It's getting closer. It's gonna crush me. I've got nowhere to run. I'm gonna die here after all.
Come in! Yasna, we must evacuate you. I'm getting parameters. Pulse, saturation. Please confirm you're there.
I'm okay. The probe did something. As if... I don't know.
I saw the readings. Gave a distress signal and then followed a series of directives that I didn't implement. Currently, it does not respond to commands.
I'll check on it. I guess it's busted for good. I found a box. Also a switch.
Probably from the registry. Can you get the record?
Let's see. You guessed right, sir. The Alliance is indeed already on the planet. They even managed to set up a field base.
How could headquarters have got it so wrong? According to intelligence, the Invincible is not due to arrive for another 14 days.
I guess we should ask them back home.
Also ist die Allianz auch auf dieses Ding gestoßen. So deute ich das Bild. Ich überlege nur gerade, was das sein könnte. Ah! War das vielleicht das eine Teil, die eine... Ja, du weißt schon.
And that's me. Wow. It really did almost flatter me.
Ja, Mädchen, die Flatulenz brauchst du deswegen auch nicht bekommen.
Probe. It distracted the antimats.
You say that as if it did it on purpose.
What I meant was that antimat targeted it, and when it fired, the structures collapsed.
We've been lucky.
One could say so, yes. Not much left of it.
The probe was broadcasting a while ago, so maybe we can save its core.
Na schau, a Klo. Oder auch Olga.
Hot. You could say that since I found the probe, I haven't been alone.
I'm sorry, Yasna. Maybe it can still be rebuilt. Anyway, you're not entirely alone.
Hm.
No need to cheer me up. I'm not crying after a machine. It was a good companion, but we've been through far more serious losses. Somehow I had to pull myself together then, and I will now.
It doesn't mean you're not allowed to be sad, even for a moment, Yasna.
I can't. Not on this mission. If I fall apart now, I won't be able to pull myself back together. Okay. It cooled down.
Are you talking about the probe core?
Well, they say in order to win over a person, you have to steal their heart. But the key is to get their brain.
You know that's just a metaphor.
Anatomically incorrect and highly overused, yes. Okay. Time to get out of here.
Not good. You simply don't get a break.
What is it this time?
Stormfront is approaching your location.
Now of all times.
I know, Doctor. But please muster up a little more strength. Let's not forget that the Alliance is in the vicinity.
Wait a minute. Do you have any specific expectations of me? Since I'm nearby their troops.
It's hard to call them specific. We need to learn more.
You're missing the most important thing, sir. We still have to save Gorski. I don't know what your silence means.
I was going to tell you later. I'm really sorry.
What?
His readings...
No. You don't have to finish. I understand.
You did what you could.
No. I did what I thought was right.
Come on, Doctor. He didn't die due to lack of oxygen. He bled out, likely from the fall.
Enough! I've heard enough.
Aha.
By the way, how long have we been out?
It's the longest 20 minutes of my life, give or take.
Damn it. The storm's getting worse.
So kurz, ich hätte schwören können, es war länger gewesen. Zuerst dachte ich, es wären höchstens 5 Minuten. Ich habe dich, keine Ahnung, so kurz, ich wurscht.
For me, it felt like eternity. I was beginning to hallucinate from the stress.
Eins vorweg. Das, was ich bis jetzt vom Spiel gesehen habe, das Spiel ist nicht schlecht, es ist auch nicht scheiße. Schauen wir mal, wie es weitergeht.
I'm approaching the vehicle.
Any damage?
Hard to tell. It looks like it's been stuck here for a while. But the light inside works. There isn't a living soul here.
Are you sure? Please take a look around.
Naja, es regnet halt nur wie am Arsch, gell?
It's clear. No one's coming out with me. I'm all alone.
Is that disappointment I hear? Anyway.
In the current situation, I'd really like to see another person. Even a hostile one.
That might not end well for you.
And what does?
Aha, falsche Richtung, hier ist eine unsichtbare Wand. Ich probiere es jetzt aber trotzdem nochmal. Jetzt geht's. Nein. Sag, wo muss ich denn hin? Mädel, ich hoffe, du bist versichert. Ja, wir sind ja von da gekommen, gell? Ah.
There's no one inside either. The equipment looks undamaged, though.
Ja. Hier war doch ein kleiner Marker. Wo ist der? Ah, hier. Ja.
The engine started.
Then what are you waiting for? Leave this cursed place.
Zwischensequenz.
Are you driving? How are the conditions?
I'm going. Please talk to me. Maybe that will calm me down. Oh shit! It hit the bonnet.
Ach, so funktioniert das. Alter Vati.
The vehicle is kind of a Faraday cage. The energy will flow through the body and discharge into the ground without getting inside. Everything will be fine. You'll see.
Ja, ich kann es nicht antworten. Tut mir leid.
I remember a mission on Eden 5. At that time I was still a coordinator, but the crew was quite similar. Chemist, cyberneticist, doctor, an engineer and a physicist. Simple reconnaissance mission. But there was a miscalculation and we crashed the rocket. Then we put it back together. From whatever was on hand. It's quite a machine. A true Frankenstein's monster, so to speak. Even more terrifying were the creatures we found on the surface of Eden.
Oh, wait. Creatures? You are making this up, aren't you, sir?
Not at all. I was indeed on a mission to Eden. However, I might have exaggerated a bit.
Ihr dürft mir jetzt bitte nicht böse sein, aber das bisschen, ich versuche gerade zu lenken, was die absolute Hölle ist. Und das bisschen Englisch, das ich verstehe, ja, ich habe keine Zeit zum Lesen. Ich bin momentan nur konzentriert, dass ich diese Karre hier irgendwie ans Ziel bringe. die Steuerung ist das Schrecklichste, was ich je gesehen habe. So, aber das soll ja noch, ich habe mich mal ein bisschen informiert, das soll ja noch circa bei meinem derzeitigen Tempo ja noch 2 Stunden gehen oder so. Ja. Tu irgendwas, danke. Alter, diese Steuerung ist schrecklich.
Damn it! I'm having trouble finding the right way.
You've got to head southwest.
How am I supposed to know where southwest is? I don't have a compass, remember?
The city attracts lightning, so the fewer flashes on the horizon, the better.
How far am I from the city's border?
Considering how fast you're moving, if you're heading straight to the destination, as long as no structures collapse.
You don't know, do you?
It's not that simple. There are too many unknown variables.
Ja, ich kann nur jetzt nach Gefühl fahren. Ich muss Englisch verstehen, ich muss hier fahren. Lesen kann ich nicht und ich soll irgendwas finden. Schrecklich. Diese Passage.
Status? How are you doing, Yasna?
Ja, leck mich doch am Arsch, du Vollidiot.
The storm has subsided.
Rindvieh, deppertes, ehrlich. Ja, sorry. Tut leid. Danke. So, was macht sie jetzt?
I found a place to hide.
A Faraday cage?
That's not it. I left the structures behind. It's an ordinary rock formation.
Even better. You have to catch your breath eventually. Can I ask for one thing? Could you find the model number of the rover?
What for?
I've got an idea, but it depends on the model.
Emmet 2001. Could that be it?
Let me see. Bingo. Emmets are equipped with a black box. Please find it.
Jetzt komme ich mir schon langsam etwas verarscht vor. Hier ist doch was.
Don't know if this can help, but the
I have the box, but it's all locked up.
really? They must have changed the equipment because I have no information about a key.
Where did you even get a catalogue of their gear from, sir? And anyway, it doesn't matter. What should I do?
1 second. I need to think. Eureka! Cable access. Look for something resembling a socket, a plug.
I think I have something like that.
Then you can connect to the probe's brain there. And presto.
Won't work. These inputs are not compatible with Commonwealth plugs.
From the outside, our equipment is different, but inside we have the same guts, so to speak. The cable on the back of the box should already fit.
Same guts, hey? Just like with humans. Okay, it's in.
Just a moment. Well done, Doctor. I'm receiving a signal.
So, what now?
You can finally rest. It'll take me a while to dig through all the records.
The rover was connected to a base.
The one from the slides?
Most probably.
Ach so, ein bisschen. Ja, das ist alles ein bisschen eigen gemacht.
No one is transmitting from the base. On the other channels, all I hear is static.
The storm must be causing interference. I'd suggest you lie down. The storm's raging.
Ich werde versuchen zu schlafen.
Best to sleep through the night.
I'm going to sleep now.
Gute Nacht.
Not good. You simply don't get a break.
What is it this time?
Storm front is approaching your location.
Wait. Astrogator, can you explain to me what I'm hearing right now?
This is a recording from the rover. The Alliance has apparently broken the encryption of our radio channel.
Oh, bollocks. So what do we do?
We need to change the frequency and encryption key.
What's the point? As soon as you give me a new channel, they will overhear us and change it as well.
Just look at the probe's brain.
Olga? What's with...
All you have to do is watch it closely. I'm switching now. Waiting for you to join.
Oh, I see. The new frequency is...
Keine Ahnung.
Oh, there's only static on this channel.
Aha.
And again? Okay, the channel is active. Now the encryption key. The first 3 digits of the cipher are...
Hallo? Keine Ahnung. Wie soll ich das wissen?
The next is...
Das ist jetzt ein Ratespiel.
Nothing. Dead silence. I have to try again. The first 3 digits of the cipher are...
Was habe ich zuerst gemacht? 254 glaube ich.
The next is...
245. Ja, vielleicht.
Nothing. Dead silence. I have to try again. The first 3 digits of the cipher are...
Gespiel, bitte. 254.
The next is...
124.
Nothing. Dead silence. I have to try again. The
Man kann
first 3 digits of the cipher are...
kurz Blick, ich möchte schauen, ob man das wirklich überspringen kann. Weil das geht mir gerade ein bisschen tierisch aufs Arschloch. 254.
The next is...
215.
Nothing. Dead silence. I have to try again. The
Ernsthaft.
first 3 digits of the cipher are...
254.
The next is...
Ja, ich habe schon alles durchprobiert. Was willst du von mir, Keibel?
Nothing. Dead silence. I have to try again. The first 3 digits of the cipher are...
115.
The next is...
215.
Nothing. Dead silence. I have to try again. The first 3 digits of the cipher are...
Ja.
The next is...
Ich soll jetzt aus dem Nichts heraus was erraten. Das kotzt mich gerade richtig
Dead
an.
silence. I have to try again. The first 3 digits of the cipher are...
Kotzt mich dieser Abschnitt gerade an. Aber so richtig. Was soll ich da jetzt nehmen?
The next is... Nothing. Dead silence. I have to try again. The first 3 digits of the cipher are...
Wisst was? Ich suche mir das schnell mal aus dem Internet heraus. Ich bin gleich wieder da.